Today, I'm putting chamomile oil to the test to see if it really works wonders for my skin. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Chamomile oil has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in the realm of skincare. The ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all revered chamomile for its calming and soothing properties. They used it to treat various skin conditions, from acne to eczema. Fast forward to today, and chamomile oil remains a popular ingredient in many skincare products, touted for its supposed benefits in promoting relaxation, reducing inflammation, and improving skin tone. But what makes chamomile oil so special? For one, it's packed with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, which can cause damage to our skin cells. It also contains flavonoids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. And let's not forget its enchanting aroma, which can help calm our minds and promote a sense of relaxation. Historically, chamomile oil has been used to treat a range of skin issues, from burns to wounds. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for reducing redness and swelling. And because it's a natural antiseptic, it can help prevent infection. In recent years, chamomile oil has gained popularity as a natural skincare ingredient. It's often used in facial steams, masks, and serums to promote relaxation, reduce inflammation, and improve skin tone. Many skincare enthusiasts swear by its benefits, claiming it helps to soothe and calm their skin. But does the science really back up these claims? When it comes to common skin issues, many of us can relate to dealing with inflammation, dryness, and irritation. Whether it's acne, rosacea, or eczema, these pesky problems can leave our skin feeling stressed and unhappy. Chamomile oil is often claimed to help alleviate these issues, but how does it really stack up? Inflammation is a major contributor to many skin problems. When our skin becomes inflamed, it can lead to redness, swelling, and even scarring. Chamomile oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a promising natural remedy for reducing inflammation. Dry skin is another common issue many of us face. Whether it's from harsh weather, harsh products, or genetic predisposition, dry skin can leave our complexions looking dull and lackluster. Chamomile oil is said to help combat dryness by locking in moisture and soothing dry, itchy skin. Irritation is another skin issue that can be a real pain. Whether it's from allergic reactions, environmental stressors, or product sensitivity, irritation can leave our skin feeling raw and uncomfortable. Chamomile oil's calming properties make it a natural soother for irritated skin. Acne is a common skin issue that many of us struggle with. Research suggests that chamomile oil's antibacterial properties may help reduce acne by killing off bacteria that can cause breakouts. Rosacea is another skin condition that can be frustrating to deal with. Its symptoms include redness, flushing, and skin thickening. Chamomile oil's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce rosacea symptoms by calming the skin and reducing inflammation. Eczema is a chronic skin condition characterized by dry, itchy, and inflamed skin. Chamomile oil's soothing properties may help alleviate eczema symptoms by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. Chamomile oil's antioxidant properties make it a powerful tool in the fight against aging skin. By combating free radicals, chamomile oil may help reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Studies have shown that chamomile oil has potent antioxidant effects, making it a valuable ingredient in anti-aging skincare products. Its ability to reduce oxidative stress may help promote healthier, more youthful-looking skin. One study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that a chamomile oil-based cream significantly reduced inflammation and improved skin elasticity in patients with sensitive skin. Another study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that chamomile oil exhibited strong antibacterial activity against acne-causing bacteria. Expert opinions also support chamomile oil's benefits for the skin. Dr. Joshua Zeichner, a dermatologist, recommends using chamomile oil to calm and soothe the skin, particularly for those with sensitive skin. Dr. Deborah Jaliman, another dermatologist, suggests using chamomile oil as a natural remedy for acne, citing its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. While chamomile oil may have received rave reviews from many skincare enthusiasts, what about those who've experienced transformative results? Let's take a look at some compelling evidence. One woman reported that chamomile oil completely transformed her skin, reducing acne and inflammation and leaving her with a radiant glow. Another individual claimed that chamomile oil helped reduce their eczema symptoms, leaving their skin feeling softer and more comfortable. A skincare enthusiast shared that chamomile oil had become a staple in their routine, helping to calm and soothe their sensitive skin. These testimonials may be anecdotal, but they demonstrate the emotional impact that chamomile oil can have on people's lives. In conclusion, chamomile oil has a rich history in traditional medicine, and its benefits for the skin are backed up by science. Whether you're dealing with inflammation, dryness, or irritation, chamomile oil may be a valuable addition to your skincare routine. Just remember to always do a patch test, and start with small amounts to ensure you don't have any sensitivity. And if you have any underlying skin conditions, be sure to consult with a dermatologist before using chamomile oil. If you've tried chamomile oil, let me know about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more skincare tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.